I was in a position to do what I always wanted to do, and that was pitch that final game to get us into the World Series. My stomach was in knots. I was a wreck, just hoping to pitch Game 7. I was nervous. I admit it. I was like, oh my gosh, this is mine to win or mine to lose. And I know that I started out pretty shaky. I had to settle my nerves, and it was a play that I thought was gone. I thought it was a 3-run homer by Andy Van Slyke. I remember Greg Olson coming out after that, catching the fly ball. David Justice caught it. He said, "Are you all right?" I said, "The game is over now." That was their chance. It was my mindset from that point on. No one else is coming in the game. And I just kept saying it's 0-0, one hitter at a time, and not get carried away with the rest of the game. You could feel the energy of everybody just saying, if we can just continue to hold them scoreless, obviously we're going to the World Series. And I certainly had adrenaline running through me that I never could have envisioned or ever thought was possible. There's no greater feeling. Words can't describe. When I saw him catch the ball at first and knew he was going to go touch the bag, I immediately turned around and pointed to my catcher who had worked me through the game. And then, of course, at that point, he was just keeping me standing.
And John Smoltz has pitched Atlanta into the World Series.
It happens in a way where you just can't believe that you're headed to what everyone dreams of, the World Series.